So starting the test drive in this 2500 HD Denali Ultimate. Of course, this is a big boy. You can tow up to, I think, like 19,400 pounds with a gooseneck and 18,000 and something with a conventional trailer. But it's still somewhat fun to drive, especially with the turbo diesel having the Allison transmission. It's pretty quick. Again, it'd be a heavy duty truck. And I do like that you have the different drive modes. You could do normal and then off-road, especially for a job site or something like that. It's a little rough, you have that. But I'm gonna try to give it a pull here, getting on the interstate. Here we go. So again, relatively quick. Had to give myself a little jump there so I couldn't come to a slower position to get started, because I never could have gotten up to speed. But yeah, it's quick, and I love hearing that sound. This Duramax is pretty tough. Now, of course, this is a very, very, very big boy, and it can tow as much. So the ride's not smooth by any means. You have the beefier leaf springs, shocks and all of that, but you know, suspension stuff. But it is it's comfortable here because you have the massaging seat, you have the cooled seat, you have the updated leather interior. But that's why these things can go north of $100,000, because there's a lot on here. Wind noise is pretty good. It's not overly loud or anything. And again, this is a heavy duty truck, so impressed by that. And the braking power is surprisingly good as well. Now, it doesn't stop on a dime, but it can stop. But for the price point, I do think you get, it's a solid truck. It has all the luxury features you could want in a freaking heavy duty pickup truck. It competes with the, what is that? The F-350 has the limited, and then I guess what's Ram got? The Laramie Longhorn or something like that. But anyways, it can compete with all the big dogs when it comes to that, but you get that same price as well. Ram might be unlimited too now, I can't remember. There's so many trims for trucks these days, but now one other thing I will say is, although it's huge, I mean, it's a big truck, it doesn't feel overly wide. Now, I'm on a wider road here, but still, it's not difficult for me to keep the truck in the lines. I don't feel like I have to keep looking over to each side mirror, and partially because the bottom mirrors here do a pretty good job at getting me that lower view there, a blind spot view, if you will. Just like you'd expect from a tractor trailer or something like that. But I want to give one more thank you to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this truck today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If y'all are interested and don't mind traveling too far, depending on where you are, these do come with a lifetime powertrain warranty. So the drivetrain, engine, transaxles, the transmission, all of that is covered under a lifetime powertrain warranty for however long you own the vehicle, which is a big plus if you plan on keeping this thing for a long time. Most people that get these expensive trucks probably won't put 500,000 miles on them, but there are a few that will, and it's nice to have that extra coverage. And if you're not trying to come out this far, make sure you click that second link down below. It takes a minute to fill out that information, and I'll get your local dealers fighting to get you the best price on one of these trucks or any new vehicle you're looking at. But I mean, still just a super cool truck, especially if you're going to be towing that big fifth wheel or that trailer. And with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 HD Denali Ultimate.